Welcome to KrispCall. In this video, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process to integrate your KrispCall account with Pabbly Connect. So, what is Pabbly Connect? Pabbly Connect is an integration automation platform that allows users to connect 1,500 plus applications and automate workflows without writing any code. Why integrate KrispCall with Pabbly Connect? Integrating your KrispCall account with Pabbly Connect automates routine tasks, improves productivity, and grows your business. It enhances contact management, call handling, and messaging capabilities. While KrispCall may not have direct integration with some of the everyday apps you use, Pabbly Connect serves as a seamless bridge between KrispCall and 1,500 plus applications. Now let's explore how this integration works. First, let's integrate KrispCall with Pabbly Connect. Log into your KrispCall account or create an account if you do not have one. After logging into your KrispCall account, go to Settings. In the Settings menu, locate Integrations under App Settings and click on it. In this section, discover various business tools and CRM software for KrispCall integration. Click Connect under Pabbly Connect to integrate with KrispCall. Now you will be redirected to the Pabbly Connect page for integrating with KrispCall. Log into your Pabbly account if you have one or sign up if you are new. Click Access Now for Pabbly Connect under the All Apps tab. Now click on Create Workflow on the right side. To make a Pabbly Connect workflow, name it and choose Home to save it. Then click Create. Setting up trigger. Now set trigger and search for KrispCall app and select it. For setting up trigger event, KrispCall offers 3 triggers: new contact, new voicemail, and new SMS/MMS. Select any one trigger. Suppose we are selecting a new contact trigger. Simply click Connect. Now to connect the KrispCall account, select existing connection or add new connection. If an existing connection is selected, it will automatically connect unless there are changes to the API key and secret key from our application. If a new connection is chosen, a page will be displayed where the API key and secret key need to be entered. To get the API key and secret key, go to the KrispCall app settings and select the developer option. Then click the copy button next to each key to copy them. Use the generated API key and secret key in Pabbly Connect. When finished, click Save. Now, test the triggers by clicking Save and Send Test Request. Waiting for a response will appear in the trigger section. Now go to your KrispCall dashboard and create a new contact. It is according to the trigger event you select. Once the new contact is set, select the response. After setting up the trigger, let's set up an action step. Choose the action application the same way. For example, search for Gmail and select it. After that, select an action event within Gmail, select any one of the events. So, select Send Email and click Connect. Now, select Add New Connection or select Existing Connection. After selecting Existing Connection, click on Save. In the Action section, fill in the required fields and proceed. To complete the process, click Save and Send Test Request or Save. If you choose Save and Send Request, a test email will be sent to the specified email address. When triggers and actions are set, your workflow is automatically activated. Now, whenever a trigger event occurs in the KrispCall application, the corresponding action will happen automatically. You can also set up multiple actions for one trigger whenever you set up any trigger in the KrispCall dashboard. Contact our chat support for more information.